Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Teacher. I'm Emma. It's so nice to see you again.
And I'm Leo. Hello, learners. We're happy you're here with us today.
Yes, thanks for joining our English practice. How are you feeling today, Leo?
I'm feeling pretty good. A little hungry, actually. My stomach is talking to me. That means I'm hungry.
I know that feeling. I'm feeling happy today, but also a bit tired. It was a long morning.
Same here. But now I feel more awake because we're with our learners.
Exactly. And today we have a fun topic.
Yes, we do. Today we're talking about food.
Food is one of the easiest and most useful topics in English. We talk about food every day.
Right. When you travel, when you meet friends, when you go to a restaurant, you need food words.
So today we'll teach you simple vocabulary, give examples, and talk about our favorite foods.
And maybe make you a little hungry.
Just a little.
Let's start with a simple word. Meal. A meal is food you eat at one time, like breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Yes. For example, my favorite meal is breakfast. Leo, what's your favorite meal?
Dinner. Because I can relax and enjoy it slowly. Breakfast feels too fast for me.
That's true. Okay, next word, snack. A snack is a small amount of food you eat between meals.
Like chips, fruit, cookies, or nuts.
I like fruit snacks, apples, grapes, easy and quick.
I like chocolate. Maybe too much chocolate.
Oh, really? Too much chocolate?
I mean, a normal amount of chocolate.
Students, that means he eats a lot of chocolate. Let's teach another word. Fresh. Fresh means something is new, not old, like fresh bread, fresh vegetables, or fresh juice.
Yes. And the opposite of fresh is stale. Stale means old and not tasty.
Like stale bread. It's hard and dry.
Ew. Yes. Nobody wants that.
Okay, Leo, what's your favorite food?
I think my favorite food is pizza. It's simple, tasty, and you can choose many toppings.
Good choice. Toppings means the things you put on top of the pizza, like cheese, vegetables, or meat.
Yes. And you, Emra, what's your favorite food?
I love noodles. Warm, soft noodles with chicken and vegetables.
That sounds good. I like noodles too. They're easy to eat and full of flavor.
Another good word, flavor. Flavor means the taste of the food, how it tastes.
For example, sweet, salty, spicy, or sour.
Yes, my favorite flavor is spicy.
Mine is sweet. Chocolate, again.
Leo, I'm starting to see a pattern. A pattern means something we see again and again.
Maybe I should eat more fruit.
Yes, good idea for your health.
Let's teach one more useful word. Ingredients. Ingredients are the things you use to make food.
For example, the ingredients for a sandwich might be bread, cheese, tomato, lettuce.
And maybe a little sauce.
Yes, sauce makes it tasty.
And the last word, recipe. A recipe is a list of ingredients and steps to make a dish.
I love reading recipes. I don't always follow them, though.
Yes, you like to mix things and experiment.
True. Sometimes it tastes amazing, and sometimes it tastes not amazing.
That's part of learning. Don't worry.
Okay, learners, let's review the vocabulary from today.
We learned meal, snack, fresh, stale, toppings, flavor, ingredients, and recipe.
Yes, try to use these words this week when you talk about food.
You can even write a small sentence using one or two of them.
Thank you so much for studying with us today on Mr. English Teacher.
If you enjoyed this video, please like it.
And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy English lessons.
And our question for you today is, what is your favorite food? Tell us in the comments.
Thanks again, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye. Take care.